Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2024 Toyota Tacoma. This truck has been completely redesigned from the ground up, and it's packing some serious new features. Exterior. The exterior of the 2024 Tacoma is bold and aggressive, with a new grille, headlights, and taillights. The truck also has a new stance, with wider fenders and a higher ground clearance. Bumper. The front and rear bumpers on the 2024 Tacoma have been redesigned to be more durable and to provide better protection for the truck. The front bumper also has a new integrated skid plate. Headlights. The headlights on the 2024 Tacoma are now standard LED units. They're brighter and more efficient than the halogen headlights that were previously offered. Backlight. The backlight on the 2024 Tacoma is also now a standard LED unit. It's a full-width taillight that stretches across the entire tailgate. Interior. The interior of the 2024 Tacoma has been completely redesigned as well. It has a new dashboard, seats, and center console. The interior is also more comfortable and spacious than the previous generation. Dashboard. The dashboard on the 2024 Tacoma is now all digital. It has a new instrument cluster and a new infotainment system. The infotainment system has a touchscreen display and supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Seats. The seats on the 2024 Tacoma have been redesigned to be more comfortable and supportive. They also have new fabrics and materials. Engine. The 2024 Tacoma comes standard with a new 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. This engine produces 228 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. Toyota is also offering a new hybrid powertrain for the Tacoma, which combines the new four-cylinder engine with an electric motor. The hybrid powertrain produces 243 horsepower and 379 pound-feet of torque. Wheels. The 2024 Tacoma comes standard with 16-inch steel wheels. Toyota is also offering a variety of optional wheel sizes and styles, up to 18-inch alloy wheels. Horsepower. The 2024 Tacoma produces 228 horsepower with its standard turbocharged four-cylinder engine. The hybrid powertrain produces 243 horsepower. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma is a completely redesigned truck with a bold new exterior, a comfortable and spacious interior, and a powerful new engine. It's sure to be a hit with truck buyers who are looking for a durable and reliable truck that can handle anything they throw at it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more automotive content.